In 2009, Refugee Law Project launched a groundbreaking documentary on the dramatic consequences of an international gender discourse and local gender norms, coming together to exclude male victims from consideration in interventions designed to address sexual and gender-based violence in conflict settings.
The use of sexual violence, I think, is very much about kind of going right to the heart of individual and group sense of self.
They started by torturing us, beating us. They tore our clothes, and in that darkness, we were thrown on the cement. 3 men were bending me over many times over the course of 9 days. They would just come into my compound. After stealing my goats and chickens, they would then come to sodomize me.
They started collecting both men and women from a place called Badege and gathered them in the school, St. Martin.
There were many soldiers who slept with me. That's to say, had sexual intercourse with me.
They were sodomizing the men, and sometimes they would pick your wife while you were watching, and they would dehumanize her in different ways.
It's a sort of vengeance, a sort of humiliation, a way of attacking our identity, so they could diminish us in society.
They would enter any house and defecate in your water pots, and even in your maize flour, or any foodstuff they would come across.
Whether in my ears, my anus, my mouth, wherever they wanted, they would screw me. I know they were government soldiers. During the act, they would not say anything. One of them stabbed me with the bayonet on his rifle. It's God who helped me, otherwise I would have died. So they said to us that, we are going to show you that you are women, that you are not men like us.
In northern Uganda, after Museveni's National Resistance Army took power in 1986, some of his soldiers sought revenge by using sexual violence against Acholi men.
And there's one particularly notorious battalion, I think Battalion 118, that was based in Gulu district for a period of about 5 years and was well known for deliberately going out and raping men.
And the fact that men were also homosexual assaulted has come out. But the government itself have not come up to acknowledge or to say sorry about it.
When sexual violence is meted out against men, it's, often it's seen in terms of essentially as a message that, as a man who has been sexually violated, you're no longer a man. You've been made into a woman by the sexual act. In a very sort of gendered, very patriarchal setting, is probably the most fundamental way in which you can attack a man is to say you're not a man.
In 2011, just days before Christmas, 2 survivors in northern Uganda gave consent for their stories to be filmed. When shown the result, they asked that their faces also be shown.
Gangeni ganga ana aber kidaka chiel kilo tena nutia bier madomi di kal kitina lai mena to pa mena to akok benen peti marani pamun ma tim ikome ka chiel gi koma pingana ka biapo ma piero bo ya bier kakine 2 me ang'wen kidi ko chon mano dan yuen fut guburo apo ga monyo boyo gang kanyo no atatika kacho madong ana yabu do gola da yabu komgi kara no dong jo mukene go ketto iti dong go kara kanyim eno berdul mon pagamente si kit mo wanyang kwere ubero brigade Pierre Beach we a beach si dong bin ga mo bino kan lok ma ko ber ka lok ne kar ma kiti ka yela ni ana bero wana duya bera peta dui ke diang na bu pe na kama diang tia wa diang ko me en don put oro diang ka to ti yo le pe ana ka dia ka dong ma jo mo kana ti ka chara nyim jo mo kana go dong ni kom an ke kwa na ke wa buru ke kara wa jo mo kana dong ya kama me na tanu ti ye gina go te mo kuno an mi tung bara da pe da paro ngi ne pingane an ma ke wa da ke do ngi ju ko eni dum go ber kala nya ye mi na wa ti ka jo mo go do ni ko ma ne no ber chala der ngan man ti ma tij ma ke tiu dong tij ger ke ken ma ben ke mer nyu pe mer gina ge wai dong mer yini ye ka wai but pe mer but pe pingano I cha wale ne yin pe ngi ni nyo ge be were nyu pe ge be were mi na ta bene go nywa kuno ti ke I manu do te kio mai ngi mi na ta uri due marang achil mi na ta nywa le ta dong nywa lo be ra tu nywa lo tiang mo to ma ko ne ba ko pe ngone I ka te ko ka dang pul lo ko be ka be ki dang ke ten ni ma pe chwa no wa pe re ye an be ne gulan ke ta I ge mer ci dong ke la ka be na ka da ko ni cha le da ma mio ka wi po tuo mo cha ke ko ma nge mwa ka chiel ene do mete dura tu ber ka ile cher ka ya mi ya pet per pa o cha tau cha ko to mudu to wa si ke tera ya ke cher ke tim operation ni ke ya ci ko ne wa ti ko ni ene nen chal po beru tuo pa roba mi betem alain me buru ma ka chal wan cho no pe ba ngi yum ko te me no nani ite mo operation ila choba ka chudo chente dia o wi gitana wen ani ya me wa expense of wen ani ya mete pa ka mete aya mi na ta bene ta pa ten pe no nyalo ruri ka chana be nun ka me mun kit me ariat kan kit nan mo bo ke ariat ben mati ati ka ren ben pe ci me nata un malo tiene mo to ni da ke piera der man ma le nu tim yan ben ta
makani tire nyu dar kene pera mo tire na ana ko tiere won ki ngam ma ini yene rama tieto yela lokka eno ne ci ina no beru open e tire exactly gema o teme kum koni ci kaw no yo ma kane donge ci o no ti je beru yot dar ma tieto gema o no beru ka di kum ko e level ma papat e nyim ko bien ka dar beru nim dar ci jox mia giti ka winyu kin ma in ki buru kwiri in la cho ke ma ke kan ke tiri tu dogo nyama kenyo la tine bana tika ka cha ta wini wara ke buru kwere la cho mo no buru ke wara I winya maraje kum ko ni kabisa so o mir ke no system o kana ma nyen wak ke modernizing ke gina ko mano wak olo to in a ki at ko ne e bien mo no you still have life in you bien ke logo ko mena ikin dana mo gora ka chen mai ka ke at ko no da ini ko bi doni ima buj kekeni bien pebe wore di dana eni mighty free.
It is true. You know, here in this trading center, have you seen other store there? It's where they store people, they keep people. In the night, they distribute people in Andaga. Like man, they give you to a man. That's why 25 people, they were killed in that stream here. Because they refuse completely.
Ultime,
Ken ka wana wa cher wa lo to ja. Ki chue chui ki to.
Liet.
Chui chui. Nelo.
Ameri kwe beru ben o wandang ben.
Wa wa miti.
Well, ada.
Rama ki tiro. Yen be kai lo be konyo.
Konyo.
Mane ni wengo ni enu ni tik mano peti me actually.
Mana kayang cakap pere. Jom. Cuir cuma kai mai. Betul malu ya. Tahu sih tambah dah cuir. Mak perhati ni. Okey ke mana kita ya was. Kurbi pen. Kurbi kuma kaya ko tiji kumi. Elok cire anak gitu mu. You baru coba. Mana malu kumber ber. Nata mena tahu. Cir apa ye?
Me wa chi mo nyeno tingo pe ka madua ta ento ka ngar ma chen ma ko ka ke mega dom cheta. Chi do ka twaro wa chu pala wa ngai la ma.
Ikwa ke ja kwene wan ngatini. Ini ka ke ja mai tema male. Natu do ka bin wa ni. Ati male ko be abe mi ki moni en. Bet ke do ko ni.
Tin ki ta ki ya pui ko yo.
Ke ja do mai wan no pe ke ja ne be ber.
Ikin jo mu kene yeni ya ini gal kurti ma ko ma ka an. Awe kaw no yen bene no be kaw no yen no kulo no gini be kaw no yen be pe timo keta an parti no be ngai.
Gamente mo timo balle. Ala wan ko ko li en ki twalo bene ti wera kan we ti lok me tek nguni. Nga churi ti wajo ti wera ke mielo bene kwere. Makamete ngini gin gamente ke timo balle. Ento gen gimama ko tambeng.
When you get somebody that does not want to hear even the word of the government, the survival. You try to look there, you try to follow the what? The track. Try to follow the what? The track record. You may get maybe has been taught a psychological, all those kind of taboo has happened to you.
Cuma wan waktu gua ka ket en wan wa ye mi wa pe wa gin ma ke timi kumi pe mo ka chalo tek gu ne eno chule ni luk ka wa gam to chul luk ma go timi kong wa kit chi gam to bi ye chule ne pa gan ka bi ye chule ne.
They went for the human right. They have been denied that this case is take long. The time they're supposed to report the case is not this time. Maybe for they have their time frame to report such kind of case, they have been ignored. Other people they went even to the human right, they were chased away.
Chuina chue ento kerna dong pe. Chuina chue ento kerna ke come dong ka mira te chue chuina kwene dong pe. Chuina chue.
Inano ni nimpian wan watiyo ki chali Kenya. Imi atwera me mete ki yepo piane ni fuda kwanyo matire. Inoni waramat.
Opo ko tu dong pedwor ching. Wan ka bro karo medwor ke man dong bilo peke.
Continue using this picture, saying that when a mushroom
Gero ti mame berada. Wa bela nyut. Kiri nyoro ba kwere. Berti no me the bon madwong. Ya pogiri.
Pol kar ka wano bino ka chok ngech man wa choyo lok ma ini wachi wa legene yene wa ka choyo lok ma ini wachi wa ibu lok mano konya to le ma lok ke choyo report ma mwa mono do ka ganti ki ma rio ene we wo wor ki kamera wa noni lok mono nyak ne o yero mak dunu ki mak cholu wa ko konya wa yub la tin gina mak luon video mo cinema mo matiti mana tie pe da kia piere ne piere der wiye pa kwe pe ngom badan wo kiye ti amete ma fut pio cher mo bo wo legi ni ka ini twer ye ne wa me choko ngej man ki bori meti ci jo ari o enene
no ta pratica kala no ana ye
be
Julius Okwera ma en okonyowa timo mobilization jorweyo dano en ageno dano mapoto kany ma wuon ong'eyo.
Gange ni ganga ana aber kidak achiel kilo tiano nutia bier.
Gen mo teme como je Julio Okwera teme koma dere karano ne no apura ti la tiana ti ma kabu ngwan an ni koma ma logone dure ni ga no na logone do pa dano no ki logone do bu yeti de do pe abi le go wulu tua yo wul ka yo wulu do mo bien me ko wane ni gin eno mo teme ne obu damne obu teme bi ke ko wana juri ke kan ke bu dago ga wen ben na che ni ario wan mo wati ni atiki pa ka che leken ma ti ga nyurne di bayar ka nyo won we nge wan mo wa dugu ma don ke bur ke dutwa yo ke nyar wa ke lu tiar wa du wa ti wa gang wa cha wa ne ba wa ti che ke ho e tiar ne pom ne pa o ti ne komi yo ti ki tuo yo ti ki red yo ti ki ngoro disable ke wa ti pa un moro mo bino bu bir ka kono wan wen ke bu bir ka kono la ta wan la gor la ngol la mulu ange lo kam po bere a po bu
lo ma ti kwere lo ke dir ma ne an pero mo ti te kin dan dok ne no fili ma ne ne kan tu ke lu cha mo na ga ya ber ne an ka mo ka ro do nye tu nya ma le mier wa gang ka ma ko ye pa da ye ka pa ku mier ti tu ye ne ja ko mu ba wow ti am lo ke pero me munyi u war kum amal le we chia wa ne ti pe ko ye ma tiet ma karo ma chang na bir ka rin ibrio ni no ma pero ne pe le ko o chen te ni ma ti ono ka tuere ma ge romo no kare o ber pin ki jo ni ka cha ke perna no por yan ke tin ta ki ja ke mara do ko do ya ke viva
ma tek mo yo ke ko kar ma ki ne ko dano ti mo ngo wen a lo ki kin gi chio no ti ki tam ni le me ko ma ni pura ti a winyo be ti ma goro ti mo ka kan pa rom ti ma te dung ko nya ngo ma un ko rom ko nya nyo do ta ti ke kwe ne ati ni ya odo ano ke mo ya ko nya tam ni a pe ki do ma ko pe nya e
an ma dier ma karwa ko chal ngata do teku ene piada pingon ka dan matino pegi biber ke tek twin matimo gima kitana kong wiati ingen ni no ma ke neno sene maliani juma pol kumegiti chok an mage fo ni muze gina yini timi jema da jimu berga time ento no dan tiki luoro ento wa meta ka twere wanung kirio mo wek ben wan ben wa tiet pa wa wek ben ka te kamale